Today we're going to talk about RB cam angle sensors and what options I had, because I didn't want to use the PRP kit, which was a cam and crank sensor. I just wanted to use the stock RB cam angle sensor. So let me show you. Okay, here's the options that I had. So this is the NZ wiring trigger kit. And then this is the AEM trigger wheel. This is a replacement for the stock one. So if you look, if you take the 3 screws out of your stock one and you look all those marks, I believe it's 360. So when you're revving, it's really hard for the computer to keep up with the timing because there's too many marks. So they narrow it down to 24. This is an AEM wheel. And then this is the NZ wiring wheel that I ordered. This is, I believe, like right at $300. This wheel is probably $40. And then you just replace this one with this. And those are your options. The reason why I got the NZ wiring one is because it's more simple. If something happens at the track, I'll probably only have to replace this sensor right here, and I'm pretty sure I can get this at AutoZone because it's just a regular Bosch sensor. And I didn't want to use this because this is already old. This is whenever, I don't know when this thing came out, from fucking 89 or 90. So even if I replace the wheel, this shit might actually go out later. So that's why I went with this. This is all brand new, shouldn't have any problems. So for your guys that want to save all the money, you go with the AEM one, throw it in your stock one, you're good. And for the guys that have a little bit more money to spend, not really worried about it, or are competing, you're probably going to want to go with this because this is all new. So those are your options. I just wanted to show you. I'm not going to show you how to take it apart and change the wheel. So because I looked at the AEM instructions, it's pretty clear on how to do it. So this one is pretty damn easy. You just hit the 4 bolts out of your cam gear and you bolt this on, and then they give you the measurements. These are the shims for the sensor, and this is the plate that goes on the front. This is a plate with 3 holes and a sensor, and that's pretty much it. And this, you can use the stock gasket so dirt doesn't get into your timing cover. So everything's here from them. It looks legit. If it's not, you'll know, but I mean, it seems to be a bunch of cars on YouTube running this without any problems. So I'm gonna give it a try.